Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke donbosco media network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sni kilong. Ra ka hybrid eleri shilak tengka ke busket NAKA jingjob surkun ut dbmn. Sam kali elektrik kit nyut Menteri Rangba syakisau kili ke distrik. Lada ke sorkar Assam kampen pai ka blok 1 Watsoy MOU ongka HBDRF. Ban Yat peninam ki rangda jek Meghalaya football team keleng ke Shillong. Teman-tang ne pai ki Khubor ke bakambnya. Ka hybrid eleri karkongor kat saus nam karta kalara ka busket ladu haka jingya ko final surkun ut season 2 bala penlong da ka donbosco media TV network ka bala long haka jan made live huai terik ukula lengkot ha donbosco youth center lajum kra Shillong. Haka ni ka grand finale, Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma ulalong ukongsan. Ka live huai terik ke lalengkot ka deiru ka lengku sngi klar jong donbosco bakhuit unong sedang ya ka seng jo ki reunion selection ka bala trei hakikam mission ha India mentala shispa arsnem kenti. Nalor Menteri Rangba haka ni ka sngi lawan pensngan the vice provincial economer Father James Terniang, Father Primus Im ki kimi ki kpa bat ki bahayeng hasam jong kinong isim penta. Ya ka grand finale la penbet penbiang da ka donbosco media TV network haka jingya lam jong upadar Michael Makri director. Kila don shuphaumut ki Samla ki balapoi syaka jingya kop final banya khun ya ka song pisah kapa shilak tengka. Ka dbmnTv kala penbiang armut ki coach Samla lapdiang solang bat Samla kenkor milim ngap ban hikai janai ya kinong ya kop haka ne ka lumpung. Haka jingkren Menteri Rangba ulaya ro ya kinong penyat ya ka surkun ut da ka baong. Baro ki kam bagi reunion selection ki le ne penyat kilong ki bajanai kamtam haka bayadei bat ki Samla. Ula ong ru ukpa jonga PA sangma ubalalong Menteri Rangba bat syong kenor ka Lok Sabha udai uso jong ki reunion selection. Ulaya ro ya ka donbosco youth center ka balala aban penlong ya ka ne ka rensan ya ko berwai ka basyong kia. Daileng ba kum kini ki jingya kop lakalong haginu kinu ki lempung ki ba penlong ya ki Samla ban treshitom bakin poi syaka thong jingjob ha ka jing em ka jongki ulaong. Nakaliang jo vice provincial ulaong ba ka sin jam ba shim da ka dbmnTV ban penlong ya ka ne ka lempung ya kop kaya habha hakasngi krau jong udon Bosco ubalabu hakmat ya ka thong trekam naga benta ki Samla. Ngaya ro ya kinong penyat ki ba penlong kum kini ki lempung jong ki Samla ban kentiu ya ki sap ki phong jong ki ulaong. Ka hybrid Arlin yaw pnyau kalawan haka kerdan ka baar bat ka hybrid Gwyneth mautho haka kerdan ka balai. Haka ni kasngi la samru ya ka Jylla Memorial Award Shau brother meban telang lengdo bad ya ka dbmnTV Youth Icon Award arhajar arpulai syaka Samla da pale warjri. Ya ki sernot syaki Samla pule komputer hadon Bosco Youth Center la penkamti haka ni hi kasngi. Ka opestrekam maupor kot khuborkhasi baman kasngi kala long ka media partner ya ka ne ka lempung ya ko berwai surkun ut season 2 baro shilenter.
Father Michael Makri, who is the director of the Don Bosco Youth Center. Father James, who is the economer of the Shillong province. All the other respected Reverend fathers and brothers who are here today. All the participants who are here, and all the other youth members who are present out here today in this wonderful program. I have a lot to say, but of course I don't want to take much time. But let me start off by saying that I am really very excited to be here today. And I was just listening to the talent that was here, and I have no words to express, but only to say that I think this is maybe one of the best performances I've seen in a very, very long time. And all of you will agree to it. The kind of talent that our youth have performed today and the confidence with which they have performed, it's just outstanding. And I can tell you, I've been to many parts of the world. I can tell you these are international performances that we just saw. So let's have another round of applause for all those who performed today and all those who participated also. So let's have another round of applause for everyone. I also would like to thank Father Michael for having organized this program, and it's a great encouragement for the youth, because I have always believed that we must engage our youth in a positive manner. And that's really the principle with which we work for the youth, and that is the same principle with which we see our Don Bosco Youth Center also working.
I announce to you the winner of the 1 lakh rupees and who will represent the state of Meghalaya to international level. And the winner is And the winner is Ellery Karkongor. Please come forward. She will receive the trophy from our CM. She will receive a trophy from the CM and also the check of 1 lakh rupees from Father James, the economer. Okay. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Father.
Menteri Rangba Samla ula pelat patba abat sam arspa nyauteli ki kali elektrik hakashi terik Rymphang ban kit nyut hakithai nong kendong jong ki south teli ki district ki bakenthop ya ka East Khasi Hills east but west Giant Hills but east and west Khasi Hills. Hakani ka jing pelat patba ya kini ki kali elektrik ladon lang ki menteri ki bakenthop ya ka kong amprin lengdo ba snya bhalang dhar Marcus and Marak uba daman bait lamare MLA ki officer na PHE bat Shillong Municipal Board. Kajing thumu jong kini ki kali elektrik kalong ban kit ya ki nyut ki nyer na kinong kendong ban penlong ya ki shnong ki thau ki ba khot ki ba suba na ka benta kajing ko jing khia jong ki pat ba. Hakaju Khubor ya kini ki kali la Beijing lut na ka scheme Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin ban penlong ya ki shnong hari India ki ba lat na ki jinglet kendong jong ki breu Sharut Shakyar ha kinong kendong. Na ka benta ki distrik ha ki Lom Garo ka sorkar kan sa pelat patba ya kini ki kali elektrik kham hadin. Da ka wei ka sur ban wan ra biang ya ka block 1 sya ka Meghalaya na kaliang juga Neutral Border Disputes Redressal Forum HBDRF ka kunhun ki breu ki basyong basa ha ka block 1 ha ka shitarik ubanai Rymphang arhajar arposaw kila thumu banya kendu ya menteri Rangba u konrat ke sangma badi usembut menteri Rangba ba snya bhalang dhar ubade u chairman juga regional committee ban penbet put ha pedeng ka sarkar Meghalaya ba Assam. Henry nakadaw ka jing bam yo ban bu appointment kila let ban bu tang da ka jing tho hakamra tre kam jongki. Uba chanda me sungo chairman kani ka forum ulaong ka jing kwa jongki ka long bandawa na ka sarkar ban wan ra biang ya ka block 1 sa Meghalaya kabakila rai haka jingyalang kinong shnong bat ki sengphalang haka khat sau terik ubanai risau hajar pulai ban persya jur yaka notification bala penmi dak sorkar Assam haka khat lai terik uyayong khat khandai spatsan phuwei namar bakate ka notification kade ka jingle donbor ka Assam kinong yalam jo ka forum kila kentu ya ka sorkar Meghalaya balada ka sorkar Assam kam tre ban penpai biang ya ka block 1 ka sorkar Meghalaya kam dei ban soy ya ka MOU bat ka sorkar Assam
kini rum kabrengkong ni ya ka ni jingelang ka baladon regising bhalang boper ke ba khampau jong Jylla jongi ko HYC Jylla Hills District KSU Jylla Hills District bat nanta ko JSU bat ke di tekan ke jingilang ladon ru kumga chantia dorbar bat kumju ki dolo jong ki lai elaka jong elaka leng elaka chele mentang ba elaka nungjungi bat kumju kirang ba snong nagi snong boper ki badon po blowon te kirai ke bangi sim kelong kini ndeng beneng kong ni persya jur ya ka notification ka ba ka sarkar Assam gal penmi ka khala April ka khandai spa san ke wei balai ni persya namar ba kani ke notification kalong kebalik don bor ke sarkar Assam klaim ka jing tip ke jing menjur lang jung ki pai nang chnong jungi ke don support labang nang pelut ke bangi tip mentah kong ke blowon ke ba ar pade ni persya ya ke jing bu jong ka sarkar ya ka khanduli bat share sektor balai ni persya ya kani namar ba nadu ke por bala penhap no ya ke tega jaka jungi haka kumbang omen ni nadu ke senam kat khandai spa san pewar te haka por jong district council hashwa bin yo el ke jong Jylla kedon beji tangka mat jing ekran ban retransfer biang ya block 1 support jongka United Khasi Jylla Hills autonomous district council kamdon kata ka kanduli berkata ke besar sektor bat haki first name bela debru kamdon kata ka kanduli ber besar sektor hindrai ke basngeu lengok ke lomba hakan ni ke sarkar pemerintah ke bu ya geni ga kanduli ber besar sektor nomor babelai kajingbu ya kini khanduli bar besar sektor kumbang ya jing TV bagai jing kucing sarkar kelong ban ya keren swa ban inspek swa ya khanduli bar besar hade nang tak sekta apa di blok 1 te hakajing skeu jungi lalang kita swa ya khanduli bar besar kelong ka bae par belai kita ke blok 1 bat kapun suk ya sarkar ada kale lang ya borok ke blok 1 namar ba lada ke blok 1 ke wan sport Meghalaya kini khanduli bar besar sektor kilawan lupa hi sport ke laju te kebalai ni yeng scam naga benta ban retransfer biang ya ke blok 1 chbo Meghalaya namar ni tip ba ke blok 1 hi gede ga Jylla jongi nadu hendai thai kulong kuma kumang ong menne ba le super hab jubo ka senam ka kendai spa san pewar te ni hakan ga jingelang berkat bar ke pa nong snong jong ke blok 1 borok away ni da wai ga government ba ada kumno ka dai bek ben thai ni ban transfer ya ke blok 1 chbo ke Jylla Meghalaya bat ka karai ke bakhat du ke bangisim kalong ba lada ke sarkar Assam kam menjur ban transfer biang ya ke blok 1 ti chief minister umdai ban soy ya kinu ki agreement lane ya ga MOU haga jingi dai bat ke kam pen put ya ke blok 1 tang kini hikirai ke bangsan
keempat dor gajing jurep
kapan dor gajing jurep kadai
jingelang jongki ka adon dan stay jongki
nadu banglesim yang gajing lang kapan dor marwan ke por ngaru ngala lekni support di office bat kitu ki members jong regional committee ki bagi ko member ke banang te kitu roman ke por telefon kapat don kata jingela ka don tang tu ko por ka bagi lek sekhanduli lang
swai gani jongki
haswa je gani kata 16 August 2023 tang kata
kani vocation jingelang hantam partidan kata jingelang
4 don
regional committee ente
4 don Teka last kebangan maaf kelong 16 August 2023 tang katai keba anda geledep penlong jingyelang te bo DC office te gelek inspect stage bo khanduli ke jing dei begitu jing jia khanduli kai te kata ka wakil lagi ru kam dei hina ka benta ka kebor da sun reina ka benta ka tu jing ikan athang tu kai
tekai mo kuno bi bo
kawai kadam
ne ba mira persang ban yo appointment batu CM batu deputy CM bodai chairman in charge hak beri ke blok 1 sultanat iban ekran marmen bani sutu ende ka jing e kalong ka jinjar hadu kata-kata bani kendu ini kita ngelang ki jongi bat bakakam kan silam ru kamlong takaro ka pelong hi ban daga jing bom ban se ba ngin ai ru daga jing tho nang ba lamdei daga ketin daga jing tho ba ngi la ban pun sneu ya ka ek ba ngi daga jong ngi don jing sneu ban pun sneu sarkar hak ba dei ba ka blok on blok tu ti khan dia iwe ngach kwa mai phang pai ba tu Jylla Meghalaya ra bi ban su thu ba balai ke HPDRF ni wan ban ni ICT na kapor Singapore sa sarkar hak ba dei ba ka blok 1 blok 2 kum ju ka history ka bataya ni ba ki pai ba ke ban tip ka jisya nadu kolong koman nadu ki por phareng ka blok 1 blok 2 ki hab ya poka joy subdivision ki hab ya po ajing Peit ju ki CM khasi ki jongi nadu menchua kacing kawan ba hadin ba lawan ra ya sidu hab penkai kita ki district council tidak penkai kita ka North Kachar Hills district council ba United Khasi Jaintia dah tu kapor don kencing lek don bor jong ki brio sarkar nak keleng juga asam por maka tu por di asam don jubor kila pengat baik ya ka blok 1 blok 2 syaka karbiang lo lemba ka notification jong kat nai spa san huwei te nak keleng ki jong ki nong yalam ki jong ni na blok 1 blok 2 kam dei bagi subja nakapor syapor atho si tho ita city ban ong em ka reti rustur ka jong ni kim dei kam dan ji dei bagi karbi kaktin ka thele kanyam gurukam ni ri khasi kwa bi bandon sa po ka United Khasi Jaintia Autonomous District Council kita gejik pensnyau la poi sado sa ka sokar pedeng ba tu kuar kam dei tang hal bat sokar asam bat de halon kan nongrim bakadon gejik persya ke ka sokar asam pada kala constitute ya ka wika committee manle inspect manle ground demarcation how kat nespa san hunyo namar bakadon gejik ut ba kajing pengat ya ka blok 1 blok 2 sepo karbi ka de ka bakala ni kani kamdi ka kam go menta bat nakale nga jongi ya ka sarkar ni persyang ban pen sisa lembak ikot islah imam kijing syabaro ban bu tangi we i jing dawa ibarat ba ibasyong nongrem bakatai kadai ba ngin penbaik ya ka jing bakala ka bang ka sarkar asam kala ale na do khat nice ba san huwei ngin penbaik ya kata ban penbaik ya kata pada ngidon kambai ban wanra no ya ka blok 1 blok 2 sepo Meghalaya kumbakalongi kumbangi la yang nakala ka jongi ba hak beri ba blok 1 blok 2
Kinong penyat ke Sports and Youth Affairs Department hakashi tarik Rymphang kila penlong ya ke jingyat penenam ya ki rang dajet Meghalaya football team boys under 18 kibala ra ya ka nam lado haka jingya kun persya ya ka Punjab da ka arko lanot haka lumpung Khelo India Youth Games 2000 arphulai kabala long hanong ba Chennai Tamil Nadu lakit ya ki rang dajet haka trok kabala penriam bon rong bat yat suwari hakeleng kidong juga sor Shillong rengkat ka perta ka risa bat ki surjing ruai bajam sur ban kringi ki pal ba ban petkai bat ban ang beneng yakini ki rang dajet kani ka kali penenam ki rang dajet Meghalaya football team kala sedang yat na banalari World Cars Maulai Petrol Pump Sengkhasi College Jayau mau Benna Jayau Pedeng Main Road Maukhar Main Road Motpran, Police Bazaar, DC Office, Raj Bhawan, Additional Secretariat, Main Secretariat, DC Office, Wards Lake, Balapenkut, Hamadan Polo. Lapen Khuborom ru yakini kirang dajet Hamadan Polo deka kong Isa Wanda, Director Sports and Youth Affairs, haka jinga dan lang uba Hamlet Sondoling, President MFA, ba John Karshiyeng, MSOA, baruba finally pariat. Daki hajar ngut ki palba kila ang beneng ya kirang dajet haka jing penyat penenam ya ka jing job jongki Menteri Keterangan Dalek Kai ke Jylla ba Shakliar Warjri ulapen bena ban ai deka scholarship syabaro kirang ya lek kai ki ba lawanra ya ka nam ladu haka lempung ya lek kai Khelo India Youth Games kabala long ha Chennai haka singiningkong
the champions who have come home to this beautiful day and who is the pride of our state right now. All the players of the under-19 football men's who have won the Khelo India Youth Games gold medal in football, along with your coach, your managers and the entire team. We welcome you to this program. We also welcome your parents, your family members and our friends from the press who are here with us. It is indeed such a happy occasion for each and every one of us to welcome you on this day. You must all be sleepy. Hinray nga iru pila shat ba drong ka to ka boss tinga try pim da samthia do kata kata nganget banado pi rong hapo sor Shillong na do mene hapo Guwahati hapor ba pilan rung ila persang na kaliang jong ka department ban pin I ya kata ka jinkmen ka jongi ha ka bagin yo ban priang burom ya pi namal minda ka sni pi de shisha ki klor jong ka ri hi bla wan ra e ka nam ka burom ka bla wan ra ya ka ne ka trophy na ka binta ka state but ni long ni sarong hado kata-kata na kabenta jong pi ngai kuble ya baro ki officers ki bla ya rab ru pan pediang smu bahaya ki ni ki samla jongi nadu nang tena banalari hakaba pila yo ban shong hadrong kate ka bas pila shat pila risa le sifikali balai ni kwa ya pi ba pin shong kum to kalong ka e ngat harai ka ba phiro pin smut nat hinre ha ka jo Khubor bangin la ban ai min sim ban ngin la ban ai nuksai ki wei pat ba ngilong ngila pan pin I baling ba ka jing tre tom jong pi ling ba ki ka preparation jong pi kini ki sngi ba ro pilala ban wan ra ya ka nam shaka state ka jong ni kam de ka bakai ka Khelo India Youth Games ha ka ba ki states ba ro ki le kai pat pila job ya ka ne ka kusnam tingis ngo ka de ka bagi don kam ban celebrate tina kata ka daw ni penlong ru ini program ibarit bat ngingait bahadian kan ni ru phim pat athai namarkan sadon sa artli ka program hadian kan ni ila request the honorable chief minister bangin yalam ya phi shaka chamber jong I ban ni kendo I bat ha ka jo Khubor ya honorable sports minister ru kum jo I badang don halinti menta nakata ka daw imla ban joining I ha kan ni Khubor ti sa sisien kumbala kren ki bhashwa jonga ngakwa tang ban ai khuble sasisian ya phi baro ka jing tre tom jong pi ka jing do yap ka jong pi but kham tam e ka team spirit but ka perseverance jong pi ka jing durut jong pi la wan ra e phi sha ka ne ban poi sha ka ne ka thong. We were all closely following the games, I think, right from the very beginning. I was able to catch one or two matches or snippets of these matches, and we saw that it was no mean feat. Firstly, to be in a group which had, such strong contenders, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, UP, the big guns, right? The only state from the northeast, and yet you went undefeated in the group matches. Not a single draw, not a single loss. I think that is no mean feat. And then I think in the semi-finals, it was a little tricky, it was a little tense for all of us, but all the same, in that as well, you came out with flying colors. And in the finals yesterday, it was really a sight to behold. And for this, once again, we would like to congratulate you for your prowess on the field, for your determination, and for this prize which you have brought home.
Hadian ka jingyay ban ki Samla ka Shillong riangdo na thain mau shinrut ban yo no ya kamadan football ka babha kan sa urlong shen. Hadian ka jing penbena jo ka riangdo Youth Sports Social Cultural Association bar ka dor bar Shillong ba haka artarik Rymphang Menteri rangba ka Jylla Samla rengkat Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ba Shakliar Warjri ba MLA ka mau shinrut constituency uba Methodius kinwan banbo ya umau nongrim NAKA banta bante ya ka synthetic artificial turf hamadan ya lekai jong ka Shillong riangdo mau shinrut civil subdivision NAKA liang ka club bar ka Shillong kila khot la wer kinong Shillong joka than mau shinrup kentup ya kinong penyat ya ki sports association bakin wan bansa khilang ha kani kasni
Kamtam ya kinong sensar Shillong jongga dongga than barok away ki president ki secretary jong ki sport club beper Khapo jongga Ngoshrut Association Bapinyawan haka arterik jong ubnai baar arajarar pusau hagapor khatway baje menstep nagabanta kandon gajingbu maunong rim yaga mandarindo ka synthetic artificial turf bat ka calorie dai Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya Shri Konrad K. Sangma Shri Shaklar Warjri Honorable Minister in Charge Sport and Youth Affairs Jongga Sorkar Meghalaya Kumu Sumbut Kongsan Hagajing Yadan Rengkat I Local MLA Jongi Shri Mitro Dios Dekar I Shri Remington Kabil Momin I MLA Jongga Ramrai Constituency Kumjuru Akajing Yadan Lang I Srimati Isa Wanda Lalu IAS Ibade I Director of Sport and Youth Affairs Jongga Sorkar Meghalaya Shri Garot LNS Dait IAS I Deputy Commissioner Jongga West Khasi Hill Shri BMC Chief Engineer State Sport Council of Meghalaya
Usyong kenor ka yeng dorbar thawaan ke Jylla Thomas A. Sangma ulapan bena ya ka ayom dorbar mang pisa bahkan sedang haka kanrio terik Rymphang daka jing keren jong ulan batkan kutpat haka arpunyau terik Rymphang ka Business Advisory Committee kala bate bandan lai teli ki private members business bat san teli kinlong naka sorkar Menteri Rangba unsa ai ka jubab ya ki jing yatai baro haka si khadu
meeting today, sir?
Okay. Today we had the Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members business, 3 days private members business and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. So, you wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17th and 18th is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address, the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members business will start. Then on 21st, there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address, and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands, and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya appropriation bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place, and then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill. considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation.
Badakitu ki Khubor ngilapoi shikapakon tarhadu bangin de shambiang khublei shibun.